Hi, this is SAP SD tutor with Uplatz. Now I am going to cover part 1 of Material Master. Now I share the screen. Now I will open Word documents. So this is creation of Material Master, creation of Material Master. The T code you see here, I am typing here. Selecting here. The T code for Material Master is MM01. But here, before creating a new material, I will show you already existing material. So for display of existing material, the T code will be MM03. MM03. Now with the T code, I will show you one material that is already existing material. Now I go to SAP screen. So MM03, I will type here. And then enter. Now you click on enter. That I am going to show you already M10, already created material. This material is already created one. So that's why I will enter. Now these are all the views. This Material Master has so many views. So first view is basic data one. First view is basic data one. So what is that view? I will explain. I have selected this view. I come down and click on continue. Click on continue. Here, this is that basic data one view. Okay. Now one by one, I will explain you. What is this base unit of measure? I will explain now. That base unit of measure, I will explain. Now we go back to Word documents. So now we are in the basic data one view. Here I am going to explain this base unit of measure. So it is the units in which we manufacture. I will select this so that you can understand. So it is the units in which we manufacture and store the goods. Means in whichever units you manufacture the goods in your company, that is called base unit of measure. Okay. Next, we go to next SAP screen to show you next thing. Next one is old material number is here. You see, old material number is there. Before going for old material number, I will explain this material group. You see here, material group is there. So I go back to Word documents. You see here, material group is there. What is this material group means? We'll explain this. Grouping of materials which will share same attributes. So whichever products or materials have same characteristics. That means they belong to same industry, like that. Same characteristics. We join all those materials into one particular group. That is called material group. Okay. Next thing I will explain you. I go to SAP screen. Not SAP. I go to SAP screen now. Next is old material number. You see here. The next is old material number. So what is this old material number? I will explain. I will come back to Word documents. So this is old material number. So what is this old material number means? This field will be used if the legacy material number is different from SAP material number. Here one new word has come, legacy. What is this legacy means? Before implementation of SAP, whatever standard methods company is using, those methods are called legacy methods. That's why before implementation of SAP, if the company was producing the same material, they may have another number at that time, another number for material. But for SAP, this material number is M10. For SAP, we have decided that present material number is M10. Previously, before implementation of SAP, they might have another name for the same product. That's why you have to write that another name here. Why that field is important means if you write the original name, the old name of this product, then you can easily understand that product and this product is the same. If you don't maintain this field means then you get confusion. Whether that material, you think that material was different from this material. And one more thing, if you don't have any number for this material before SAP, before implementation of the SAP, you don't have any material number for this, you need not worry about that. Anyhow, this is the new material after implementation of the SAP. Then also you need not maintain this material number field. Okay. Next, I go back to SAP screen. Next is division. What is this division? Division is here. I will explain you what is the division. We go back to Word documents. So division means you see here division. Already I have explained you previously. Division means it is the product which we manufacture. It is the product line which company manufactures is called division. Suppose company manufacturing two products. One is laptop, another one is desktop. Then laptop is one division, desktop is another division. Okay. Here why this division field is here means if you maintain the division here in this material master, it will be automatically determined into sales documents. It will be automatically determined into sales documents. Sales document means, for example, sales order is there. There also this division field is there. You need not separately enter the division field in sales documents. Why? Because you have already filled this field in material master. That's why this number, this material master division will be determined into sales documents or sales order. Okay. Now we go back to SAP screen. After this division, next is Explant material status. You see here, Explant material status. Before this, I want to explain one more thing, important one. This is product allocation. Product allocation is here, product allocation. After explaining this product allocation, then I go back, then I go to Explant material status. Okay. Now we will go back to that Word documents. Word documents. Here you see product allocation. What is this product allocation means? It is a process of reserving the stocks to customers. Suppose one customer is there, he will order laptops almost all in large numbers. Every time he will order in the large numbers. That's why we cannot say no to that customer. At any time, if he orders, even we don't have products, means we cannot say no to that customer, because that customer orders the laptops in large numbers. That's why it is becoming difficult for us to say no to that customer. If that is the case, what you can do is you can permanently allocate these laptops to that customer. You fill this field. Then what happens is system will not allow sales order for other customers of these products. Even though you try to sell for other customer, system will not accept that. This product is for particular customer only, it will say. Okay. So when this is done, means it is a process of reserving the stocks to particular customer. If particular customer is very particular about any products, then you can allocate that product to that particular customer. Okay. Next, we go to SAP screen. After product allocation, then you see here Explant material status. Explant material status is here. Explant material status. I will explain you what is that. We go back to Word documents. So Explant material status means this field will be used to block the materials across all the plants. So if you check this field, means this material will be banned for the sales order across not only one or two plants, across all the plants of the company. How many plants are there for that company? The system will ban selling of that products across all those plants of the company. Okay, that is Explant material status. Next, we go to SAP screen. After Explant material status, next is general item category group. This is called general item category group. General item category group. What is this general item category group? I will explain now. Go back to Word documents. General item category group. This field is one of the parameters to determine item category in the delivery process. Here you have had a new word here, item category. I am selecting that particular word, item category. So this is the topic which we get in later stages. This topic is not now in our course. In later stages, I will explain that topic because it is in the serial way. That is in the series way. So that's why here you may not understand this general item category group properly, but I will explain you up to certain extent. So whatever item category is there, that will be determined in the delivery documents through this general item category group. So there is one concept regarding item category, which I explain you in my next videos. So whatever is the item category is there, that must be determined in the delivery documents. That must be determined in the delivery documents. So that will be determined in the delivery documents because of this general item category group. Because of this general item category group. Okay, that's what I can explain, that point. And later when we come across that item category, at the time I will explain in deep about item category. Next field I will show you in the SAP screen. Next is gross weight is there. Gross weight. What is this gross weight? I will explain you now. Now we go to Word documents. So what is this gross weight? It is the weight of the product including package. So with the package, the total weight of the products along with the package is called gross weight. The total weight of the products along with the package is called gross weight. Okay. Next we go to SAP screen. Next thing is here you see net weight. What is this net weight? Net weight means, I will explain you. Net weight, I am selecting this. It is the weight of the product excluding package. So without package, it is the pure weight of the product. It is the pure weight of the product. It is the only weight of the product. Nothing else is added there. So you take package out of the consideration. It is the pure weight of the product. That is net weight. That's why always gross weight is more than net weight. Gross weight is more than net weight. Okay. Now I go to SAP screen. Here one more thing is here. You see weight units. Weight unit is there. For solid products, you check this, you fill this weight unit. For liquid products, you have to fill this volume unit. Volume unit. Because our laptop is a solid one. That's why weight unit I have taken. The weight unit I have taken is as kg, kilogram I have taken. Okay. Now we go to next tab. Next tab is basic data 2 tab. Basic data 2 tab. Here all are not important, especially for our SAP SD specialists. This basic data 2 is not much important. Now we go for this sales organization 1 tab. Sales organization data 1 tab. This is very, very important for us. Very, very important for us. I will explain this now. So once again, you see here, after clicking that sales organization 1, it is asking for which plants you want that M10. For which sales organization you want that material 10. For which distribution channel you want that M10, it is asking. So already I have created myself. That's why I know that plant sales organization distribution channel. That's why I am typing all these things here. At that time, I have created one plant. It is AB13. AB13 plant is there. Next, sales organization, AB13. AB13. Now, distribution channel, at that time I created AB. Distribution channel, I have created AB. Okay, after that, click on continue. Click on continue. Here, so many fields are here. Here, the main is here sales unit. Sales unit. What is that sales unit? I will explain now. We go to next page. This sales unit is here, you see. Sales unit is here. So what is this sales unit is? It is the unit in which we sell the goods to customers. It is the sales unit. It is different from manufacturing unit. We manufacture the goods in some units. We sell the goods in some other units. Sometimes. In other times, we may use same unit for both manufacturing and sales. So there are both cases. So once again, I will show you in SAP screen. Here, I have maintained a separate sales unit. So base unit of measure means manufacturing unit. I have maintained EA here, each, as the base unit of measure, but I maintained at that time sales unit as the ST. I put that. So when you have to fill this sales unit field means If sales unit is different from base unit of measure, then only you have to put that. If sales unit is different from base unit of measure, then only you have to put this one. If sales unit is same as base unit of measure, you should not fill this field. You should not fill this field. You should leave this field. Here you should not type EA again here, because my base unit of measure is same as sales units. That's why I put EA here. You should not do that. If base unit of measure is same as sales units, simply you keep this field as blank. You keep this field as blank. That's enough. Okay. Thanks for listening to my course.